Hey guys, Joel here with another episode of Simple Life Hacks for the summer. And today I'm going to be doing how to get the pit out of an apricot using a knife. And you're thinking, how are you supposed to get this out? It's easy. To do this, I'm not going to use magic. You're just going to like this. Cut around it a little bit. And like this. About enough so you can just get this out. Just enough. Then you're gonna wanna open this up like this, and you have this piece. There's no pit. This piece has the pit. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna get the knife, slide the knife under the pit, just enough so you can get it out like that and pop it out. Then you're gonna want to just throw the pit away and eat the insides. And that's how to make the pit out of any fruit that has a pit.